Greetings and salutation. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa. Happy New Year. It's 2018. Yes, we've made it into 2018. And, it was unclear for a minute there if we were actually going to make it. And I am begging on a please. Nobody do that something they wanted to do at the end of 2016. Remember when 2016 did I go on and all the celebrity them did off and we did just so in our feelings and we're like, oh, dirty 2016, we can't wait for it done. Oh, we can't wait for 2017. So 2017 come, braps. Everything was glorious. Trump in your caca. Sexual harassment everywhere. Jamaica out of the mouth get up and start take up things like kidnapping, flood. Right? Hell and damnation. So I'm start call 2017 dirty 2017. I'm not done with 2017. I'm not can't wait for 2018. Oh no, it's doing the same thing to the years that parents do to them picnic. You have the one picnic come and the picnic set a particular trend. I don't expect the other people picnic them to overcompensate for whatever the first picnic never do. The picnic can't live up. The picnic could have win a Pulitzer Prize and cure cancer same time. The picnic cannot live up to our expectations. So I'm begging no, don't put 2018 under those pressures. Just let the year be a year, live itself out and do whatever it is that years do. Second order of business. I've opened a new company. It's called Honey and Lime. It's where I got my earrings from. It's also where I got my pendant from. Ta-da! So I'm offering a range of products and services designed to help you look good, feel good and do good at the same time in whatever ways that you could interpret that. So everything from crystals to clothing to incense to journals to wellness teas, also gift certificates for you to do stuff like yoga, personal training, martial arts, just a range of things to kind of help people be better in their lives because become a struggle. I'm struggling in my life and I know that there's a lot of things that I would love to get access to and just either don't know where to find them or I feel like I can't afford them. And so this company is here to kind of try to help do that. And also, so I can earn an income for myself because incomes are important. But that's not the reason I'm here. Oh, but before I actually get on to the reason I'm here, you can go on Facebook and Instagram and you can like the page and support it. I promise not to spam you with a bunch of stuff at Honey and Lime JA. Don't stop typing at Honey and Lime because that is somebody else's company. That's not my company. That person is in foreign. That is another fabulous black woman in foreign who is also running a company. I'm Honey and Lime JA, right? So please go there. The other order of business now. And this is a message that I have come to deliver to people who plan to beg in 2018. And that includes myself because I do plan to beg in 2018. Why? Because I realize that you have a set of people who are doing very good in life because anything that them do have to pay for them, don't pay for them, just beg it. A set of professional beggars who will come in your yard. And you in your yard that about you don't have nothing to eat and drink and nothing to wear and them come and leave with 3 square meals and 4 outfits to go and live them big life because them know how to capitalize on opportunities and these people are my new icons. I plan to live like them. But it's not them I plan to talk to. I'm here to talk to the little hurry come up amateur beggar them, including myself. And so here we go. Dear people who plan to beg in 2018, cut the small talk and get to the point. You know the small talk that I'm talking about. You know when people plan for beg and them start drought argument with you before them just ask for whatever it is them need. And I am guilty of it. So when you plan for beg you, I'm giving you a 7-day build up. 1 week before I'm planning for beg, I come to you. Oh, hey girl, my mind just run by you. And I know that the person is thinking to themselves, but how? Your mind has not run on me in about 4 years. If your mind was a transportation company, it would be a luxury private jet rental company in a third world country with crippling debt, no middle class, a minuscule upper class, and no tourism. It runs very irregularly. But it's like this morning, God just get up and put him index finger in the middle of your forehead with my name, and you decided to reach out to me. How? That's impossible. But fine, since you want us to sit down and have this awkward conversation, let's have this conversation. And you and I both know that that fake catch-up conversation with a person that you haven't spoken to in a long time is one of the most painful things that you will ever have to sit through. I mean, you and this man in a talk all long that them number not even in your phone, you had to hit them with the new phone, who this. It's basically a data gathering exercise. That conversation feels as though the American government has a set of people who they suspect of marriage fraud. Them feel like them people are not actually there with one another, but Smaddy need a green card and Smaddy need $3,000, right? So they take you into separate rooms and start asking you questions. How old are they? So where's their family from? What type of deodorant do they like to use? Do they like things that are fresh smelling, citrusy smelling, woodsy smelling, or things that smell like the ocean? When they go out and they play football and they come back sweaty, do they still smell fresh or do they stink? What size panty do they wear? And after you've done gathering all of that information on each other, You figure that you get rid of the person now because there's really no reason for them to continue being in your life. But perhaps 3 days before the intended begging, here they are again. So you have to reconnect with the smarty 3 days before the intended begging because you want to get the feeling, that warm care bear feeling. Yes. So what the person is going to do is they're going to go back to the first conversation and then I go pick something and try bring it up back to you, right? Unfortunately, because them never really pay attention in the conversation, then probably I go pick the most awkward thing, like that cousin second 2 times removed that nobody talks about anymore because there was a family incident that involved the police. And no, they don't actually speak to the family. Yeah. Or they're going to start mentioning things to you that are very contemporary. Things are very recent. So they're never going to talk to you about when your auntie did dead 2 years ago, or that car accident you were in that made you crippled for 6 months, or the new job promotion you got 1 year ago that allowed you to purchase your own yacht. No, they're not going to talk to you about those things. They're only going to talk to you about things in the first 4 rows of your Instagram because that's where they're gathering their information from, right? So now we've gone through awkward conversation number 2, and now it's actual time of the begging. So they have to come to you and be like, so what's the weather like? Well, it's Jamaica, so we only have 2 types of weather. We have we have wet and we have dry. Recently, we've been getting a little bit of cold, but climate change is not real. Or they're going to be like, boy, traffic was bad today. Was it bad where you are? Well, we've grossly overestimated the amount of roads that we've had and imported cars that far exceeded. So, yes, of course, there's traffic wherever we are. What is it that you want from me? And now the actual begging will occur. It's 2018. We are older. Some of us have businesses running. Some of us have families. Some of us have marriages. Some of us have divorces. All of us have lives. And more than anything, we've all recognized that, life is not going to last forever. We're starting to feel the pain in the joints. So we know that we're a little older than we used to be. So we don't have time to waste on irrelevant conversations. When you come to beg somebody for something, just ask what you're asking for. Because this senseless conversation that you're having is not going to make it more likely that they're going to give you anything because it is very transparent. Look, I've come to terms in my life with acquaintances. I know everybody are going to be a friend. Some people are going to be your acquaintance. Some people only are going to remember you when them want you for something. And because them is your acquaintance, you will kind of bump them to the top of the line of doing whatever them want. Because you know them and you give them ratings and you care about them, but you're not really in on one another like that. Right? Some people, them keep you around because you have a skill set that them think going to be beneficial to them. And them don't know nobody else with the skill set. Some people, you keep them around for the same reason. We are not all friends. So when it is that crisis lick you, and God put it in your head, say, backside, say, Carla could have helped me with this. Just go through whichever chains of command you have to go through to find my number because you don't even have it no more. And link me and ask me directly. And we do whatever it is if me can do it. And me I'm going to do the same to you. But this whole heap of fake friendship now work because after you get whatever you want, he's not going to talk again. Right? So for people in 2018, I'm asking us to be more deliberate. I'm asking us to be more if efficacious. I'm asking us to be more sensible in our use of time and stop having fake conversations with people we don't really want to have due to our one beg for one little small something. Just in our first conversation, bring up the begging and make a one. Yeah? And look out for me begging you soon. Trust me, but just I walk up and down the road and ask people for things. But see them with like a box juice and a water. You want the water? Don't me I take the water out of them and it's just life. It's 2018. Times it's hard. We need each other now more than ever. Begging, I have to go on. I expect it. So when I come to you, expect me. And when you come to me, I expect you. Right? Otherwise, please, go and like Honey and Lime JA. Support it. Buy some stuff for me. Keep me in mind when you have any gifting needs. Keep me in mind when you're having a low day. You want some little things to help you take care of yourself. We have bath bombs, all of them type of something to make you can love up on yourself and feel nice. Otherwise, at 2018, be kind to yourself. Be kind to one another. And remember, somebody out there love you. Even when you don't feel it, even though nobody else, me love you. Right? Take that in and put it in a little pipe and smoke it. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Goodbye.